Radhe, let's talk about mastering the bullish gap up candlestick pattern. This is important pattern. If this is happening at the downtrend, let's go into the details. But before that, read this disclaimer, and then comes the candlesticks. This one we discussed elaborately in other videos. Just go through that. And definition of the bullish gap up. Rather than I will show you how it is. So the first day you will see a candle like this, and the second day there is a gap up here, and then is a bullish thing. The same thing if it happens on a bearish gap down, then there is a bearish. You can take this. I would definitely, as a short-term trader, also I would like to continue taking this one and then take the position out here on the bearish side, and a long term I would take here. If it is a downtrend, this is an uptrend. And read this one once. It basically occurs at the open highers or lower, so that's a momentum kind of thing. This is the other thing. Target is basically if I have to say short term, the candle's height you can, and stop loss definitely keep the earlier candles low, previous candle low. And then comes here anatomy. You can see how it is. This is all that anatomy is. Gap up happens. This is open low, might be open low is almost there, and you're a little wick and the gap up, and boom, it moved up. I'll show you a real-time example here. See, this is the after a downtrend. This is one is this. I don't think this is a downtrend, but still gap up has happened, and then it has moved. In another example, after the downtrend, it has happened. So if you see here, this is 2 perk. Yes. If I join, maybe I'll join this, just see it how the trend lines are joined, and you will get a classical trades when you draw this. Okay. Boom. See how perfect it is. You can draw multiple lines. I'm not saying you cannot draw the line. This, if you draw another line here, just for an example, if you draw this line from here, considering somewhere here, you might think this, you might enter here, but again, like since this did not cross, you have to write another, draw another trend line. That's okay. Trend lines are free, you can draw, nobody's stopping you. So anyway, I'll go further into the details. This is one example. This is a classic example. It just moved up like anything. The stock is other financing, housing, but this is one of the examples how it is happening. This is top stock research, where you can find screeners and all those things. Significance of bullish gap up candlestick, and then bullish sentiment, trend reversals, identify the support levels, measuring upside potentials, and identify the bullish gap candlestick. This is also very important. Confirming the bullish gap up pattern, look at the gaps, analyze the body, and confirm the volume. These are very, very important. Gap size, body length, open close relationships, measure how when I say open close relation, at what price it opened, what close it has happened. It cannot happen in 1 or 2 units. It has to be at least 1 or 2-3% difference. Then you will see a definitely a good, if I have to say, good buying interest is there. That's why you see this kind of thing is happening. If you see here also, the volume has risen much. You can also undertake inputs from the support levels and Fibonacci retracements. Those are also good. Trading strategies, I think entry strategy, profit targets, risk management, incorporating the bullish gap up candlestick in your trading plan. These are very, very important. Risk management techniques for bullish gap up candle, time of entries, defining the target, protective stop losses. These are important. Go through this back testing thing, systematic testing, historical, statistical validation. When I say stats, it's like, you can take the mean or the averages or the standard deviations, how it is happening. Then you can take based on that also you can do the trades, but that is a very long thing. The video will take a very long time, but let's go ahead. Combining the bullish gap up candlesticks with the other technical indicators, you can include the moving average, candlestick plus moving average, candlestick plus volatility bands like Bollinger Bands, candlesticks plus trading volume. So you can take whatever you like, and you can include as many as possible. If you go to the Angel Broking or any other Jira, they will give for free. Interactive brokers are basically they are free. Psychological aspects of the trading with bullish gap up and overcoming emotions, patience, and discipline. So case studies, real-time examples. Go ahead and work hard on your practice as much as possible. Then you will make then you will see progress in your career or any whatever you do. Thank you. That's all for today, and have a good time. Bye all.